If you take the seeds from your Big Mac, put them in water and wait 3 days, you'll be able to grow your own sesame. If you cut up some onions, put them in the ground and water them, you'll get free onions for life. If you put black pepper in water and mix it, you'll be able to get the good peppercorns on the surface. If you peel a strawberry and put it in the ground, you'll get one free. If you cut off the tips of your succulents, bury them and water them, you'll be able to grow them back in a few weeks. If you put peas in a palm leaf, germinate it and plant it, you'll get free peas for life. If you take an orange seed, germinate it and plant it, you'll get an orange tree. If you take a carrot, soak it in water and plant it, then you'll get carrots for fruit. If you plant a garlic clove on a root, bury it and water it, then you'll have a garlic flower. The most convenient way to plant seeds is to stick your heel in the ground. If you go to my account, subscribe, and click on the link in the bio, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.